I made the last upload because of a lot of emergencies, but please pardon my voice because I had a recent sore throat. I'm just still recovering. But I was asked to create a video guide with regards to a specific concern in being in Town Hall 25, transitioning to Town Hall 26. So, as you guys all know now, especially for those who are in Town Hall 25, that it is needed or prerequisite for some of the buildings to buy this necessary item, the Dwarven Blueprint, which costs 2.5k gems. So it's actually a pain for F2Ps such as because you know that gems are always for stamina to gather resources and other items such as speed ups and etc. However, in this stage, if you want to go of other buildings that is prerequisite to Town Hall 26, for example, this shrine, you need this blueprints. I already actually upgraded my Miracle Hut to 25 or 25, and also my watch of my wall already 25. That is actually needed in 26, and now I only need shrine. So I can see actually that these three products, Berserker, the Axe Thrower, and Cavalry. So I spend 2.5k gems each on that three barracks. And the last thing I am needed is to have this Warhol upgraded to level 25. As you can see, upgrading your Warhol needs a patch of victory that you can obtain if you're gonna be rallying champion layers, or also by being um able to buy it on Merit Shop every week. So there's like 1,000 badge victory available in your Merit Shop per week. So it is best that you already invested in that since the beginning. Okay, so or as an F2P, that is your choice. Investing in that in Merit Shop, and also rallying champion layers. Or if you have enough gems, you can buy it using gems, but it actually will cost you a lot. So, for example, here I only need around 2,070, I think, and that is like around um 2.1 or 100 gems, and I cannot afford to spend that one because we are playing F2P, and you might get burnt out because of that. But no worries, I have a tip for you. By the time you reach um Town Hall 25, you will be able to unlock your fifth troop. So meaning you can deploy five troops at the same time. So what you can do here is you're gonna utilize this monster inside your base. The name is Berserker Desert Colossus. And if you gonna see this reward, you may get 10 gems per kill. And the good thing is if you have five troops, it can get you a total of this um 10 gems times 5 times 5. So that is like 25 times 10 gems wave or per monster. However, as it grows, the level goes higher, the damage as well and the stats it will also become higher for this monster. So what I am doing is I'm actually have my setup here save for this composition. So I'm utilizing all my troop types, and since I am maining Berserker, I already achieved the maximum size for my first troop, and then the remaining will be on the second troop. But
Every
here's
hardship strengthens my will.
for the Berserker users, that is FTPS such as me. My best
Yet,
tip is you
purified by the
use
stone.
Rex and Alpine or Alpine as your
None can
main
escape.
tank. Um, in tanking these monsters,
Let us
and
begin.
for you
Bring
to
attention.
save a lot of um units in the hospital, what you can do is
We're here.
you just let the other four hit the monster as soon as it goes around 200 to 150 um HP points, because even though they just one hit the monster, they will gonna be receiving all these benefits. So I will let you see. So first, I'm gonna try to scout a building for War Frenzy buff that is additional. So I'll remove this one so you have a reference. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let my
I will
main tank
protect you.
here. It's best to position it here,
Be
and
prepared
you
at all
just
times.
let it. So make sure to
My
utilize
blade
this
shall make the enemy tremble in
interface
fear.
for you to be able to use this strategy faster. So first, as you can see, you're gonna make this first, or I mean berserk tank, this one. As you can see now, this is 1,000,000 300,000 tier 4 surges for recommended troops. If it dies, it becomes one level 160. It will be the recommended troop will be higher as well. So now you can have them attack, and you will see the life of this monster. It's as soon as it gets to 200 and lower, just click this focus bar. Okay, so let's wait. Now I can send it around like that. And even though they just hit
Honored to die by my
few
hand.
times, you'll receive 5 times the reward here. As you can see, 5 times 10, 5 times 10, another, another. So that is like total of 20, I'm sorry, 25 times 10 gems per wave of the monster. You can see it here. And then, as you can see, I only have like this. This is very good amount of troops in the hospital, given that this is already 106. Uh, I mean 159 a while ago. It's actually, if it is on the lower ranks, it will be easier. My best advice is you do this kind of strategy that I'm doing for you to
Violence shall tame
make sure
violence.
that you gain
Fear is not a reason to do evil.
a lot of gems that you can farm if you be needing gems in the long run. So I'll just make a that is good for now. And one example, I think my internet is acting up. I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. So for that, if you're able to save a lot of gems, and then you can go ahead and upgrade your shifting hall level to 26. So we're now currently in um the third day, which is the research part of the tribal showdown. I'm actually just waiting for the hour of 8. So that is will be on the 8th hour of the server time. So I can hit both um the rewards here on the tribal showdown, and as well as in the call of arms. So hitting two birds with one stone. So make sure that you maximize that for you to be able to get the good rewards. I'm really sorry for this. My internet is acting up. I don't know. And what else? So, good thing
Simply
we're able
existing
to
is
already to unlock Carl.
I
I think I'm gonna be
embody the
unlocking it
martial
tomorrow.
and dance among
Because tomorrow is
flames.
the heroes event. I can definitely unlock him and
Peace is
make
inconvenient,
Alf
not
my
silence.
first S tier hero to be awakened. So I'll be just needing. I can actually do it now, but I will hold it until tomorrow,
As
and then I will
soon
focus
yet
on
urgent.
Carl. But the rest, I will hoard my resources for the time that rate is available. So we are just chilling. We're not that competing here in Tribal Showdown. So what else? I think that's it for now. If you have any other questions or clarifications, just please comment down below, and you can reach me out in Discord or in game or in the YouTube channel as well. I'll just try to accommodate you guys the best I can. And see you on the next video.